What's going on, YouTube? This is Lewis of the Way Your Kicks channel, back again with another review. And if you're wondering why I got on a pair of sunglasses right now, well, I feel like it's only fitting that I do this review wearing these for some sunny South Florida specials. Nah, I'm just messing with you guys, man. Appreciate you being tapped in. Yes, you see the box that we got here, guys. These are the Jordan 3 SoleFlies, and yeah, it took a little bit for these to come in. I actually got them in, I think it was, what's today? I think I got them in 2 days ago, but you know, there's other content that I was in the works of trying to put out. So I apologize for taking a little bit to give you the review on these. But before we get into it, man, take a good look at this box. I love this box, man, this orange wavy, you know. And now listen, we know what's in here, right? Them University of Miami go, you know, gotta give you the U there, right? Label on here reads Air Jordan 3 Retro OG SP, Sail, George Green, and we know there's orange on here as well. This is a size 12, and shout out to SoleFly for giving your boy the dub. This is actually the second year in a row I've been able to get the SoleFly Collab special, as last year's was the SoleFly 8s, and now we got the University of Miami SoleFly 3s. And real quick, man, you see we got that SoleFly symbol there. We got Nike Air there. We got the Jordan Jumpman, as I showed you earlier. Unfortunately, my box is a little bit damaged, but we don't wear the box, we wear the shoes. So let me stop the delay and open the lid up here. Nothing necessarily under it, but we are met with this tissue paper here, which is pretty dope, you know, to go along with the overall theme of the shoe. You got the Jumpman there with Jumpman symboling with green tissue paper. But once you go ahead and pull these guys open, you are met here with this SoleFly bag. Now listen, I know you guys are probably seeing a few reviews here on the shoe themselves, you know, so there's nothing necessarily I'm gonna say about the shoes in terms of its features and quality and all that is going to be necessarily anything different from any other YouTuber. But I did just want to, you know, bring you guys the review of the shoe and just kind of give you my opinion. And I want to know what you guys think, if you were able to hit or not, or if this is something that maybe you end up going after, because from my understanding, prices have started to come down a little bit. But here we go, man. The Jordan 3 SoleFlies, the University of Miami colorways there. And I must say, these are some of the best threes that have released here, especially in 2025. The leather quality on here, I must say, is pretty nice as far as the tumbling is concerned. Very soft leather all the way around. I must say, already taking a look here at the left pair, that I have no complaints as the way that they did the you know, the cut here for the fabric for the elephant print. I mean, obviously there's no actual elephant print here, but you know what I'm talking about. Same thing here in the back of the heel with the way they did the orange here, and then you obviously have that Nike Air in the back in green. You got your hang tag here, but they give you this little, you know, flimsy plastic piece. I mean, it is what it is, you know, but you could give us the chain. You know, you could give us the chain, SoleFly and Jordan brand, but hey, it is what it is, right? I'm not gonna throw too many complaints out there, regardless of me having this shoe, because, you know, I don't want them to see my video and then all of a sudden, who knows, right? They may or may not actually have that power. But in case they do, it comes pre-laced in there with white laces. Let's see, at the top, well, here at the bottom of the area, we do have some orange lace holes here on both sides. And then at the top, we do have some green there. One little feature I think is absolutely dope on here is this imprinted SoleFly SF that we have there on the shoe. I think that's a nice little touch that they put there on these. I mean, it gives it a different kind of vibe for whatever reason. At least it does from my standpoint, right? Let's go ahead and take a look here at the right shoe now. Just want to take a look at it once again. I'm very happy with the way they did the leather, the fabric here for the elephant print. Now there are 2 extra sets of laces. You see we got an orange pair of laces and a green. I'm not sure what would actually look the best. If maybe the orange probably would look good in there. You know, I'll throw a set of laces in there. I have extra sets of laces. I'm not going to take these out the lace bag and do it. But we are met with this kind of QC tag here. Now, what does this say? Okay, it says, due to the suede characteristic, please be aware there is potential color contamination to the upper and bottom unit. Wow, that's interesting. I don't recall anybody necessarily talking about this, but I didn't necessarily watch a lot of reviews either on the shoe. I was waiting to get them in hand to necessarily have my own opinion. Now, granted, I saw the images on feet when they were being worn by the likes of like Michael Irvin and Andre Johnson and those guys. I forgot what game it was where they first had the shoe on. It might have been the homecoming game there for UM, but you know, besides that, I didn't watch any reviews. I was waiting to get the shoe in hand myself to really form my own opinion on them. That being said, taking a look here at the outsole, we have a lot of orange here on the outsole. We do have some white or sail rather there on the bottom, and then you got Nike written in green, and then the pivot point up here is in green as well. And overall, I am actually pretty happy here with the shoes themselves. I think these are a very, very dope pair, but let me go ahead and throw a lace swap in there and give you guys that view. All right, so here goes a good look with the lace swap. We got the orange laces in here, and we got the green laces as well. So what do you like best? Orange laces, green laces, or the white laces? And anyhow, let me know down in the comments section below. Let's continue on with some more of these features. Now, behind the tab here, you actually have something written, and it said, let's see, this one says, kind of hard to see, but it says SoleFly back here in cursive. And behind the other, same thing here on the other one as well. It's written there, SoleFly there on the tabs. The Jumpmans themselves on each of the shoes is a green Jumpman. Something I have started to check a lot for is within the insole foot pad, you see it down in there, it's orange, and you got yourself a green Jumpman down there, and then it says, it does say SoleFly down there in cursive as well. Just had to make sure. But what I like to do is check under to make sure there are no Easter eggs of any kind, and I believe this is a dream cell, and no, there are no Easter eggs under there whatsoever. In any case, behind the tongue, we have to mention here on the left shoe it says Miami, and then here on the right shoe it does say Sunshine State there for you guys. And overall, I think, I mean, look, we know this is a dope pair, and I don't know if they're gonna release on the sneakers app at all. There hasn't been any mention of these, but for the most part, I think we usually do get a sneakers app release on SoleFly collaborations, but we will have to wait and see. That being said, guys, let me know down in the comment section below how you feel here about the Jordan 3 SoleFlies that are released here in 2025. I think they did an outstanding job. The leather quality is great. The material for the elephant print cut is great. I mean, and overall, I feel like a lot of people were able to get dubbed. I think overall, they did a great job in getting a lot of pairs into the hands of a lot of different people. In any case, this is Lewis of the Wear Your Kicks channel, reminding you to be true, stay in the moment, and don't forget, every day is a great day to wear your kicks.